Yan na, ang import. 40 puntos to eh. Out of bounds.
Ano ba may ano kasi hindi makakayupo yan.
Adonis for three! Wala! Out of bounds.
Ayan, dito sa labas.
Alright. Uy, Ronnie, out of bounds.
Parang upuan doon?
Kalma.
So,
Baby, kalma.
Labas ka doon eh.
Ay, nakahawak si Ronnie ngayon ng ano ah.
Out of bounds.
Nakabawi.
Umamin. Huwag kang umamin, guys. 8 minutes and 53 seconds. Wala pang na-score. Bunat, dribble the ball. Pass to Ronnie, jumper, wala. Rebound by Joel. Binabantayan ni Choroy. Choroy!
Last touch agad.
Choroy, last touch si Choroy.
Kaya mo Charoy ah.
14 seconds shot clock.
Ipa mo ah.
Ayos lang yan, Choroy.
Hindi, parang Joel. Ano? Magaling magana yan. Parang mas tayo Lebron.
Lebron. Lolo Bron. 14 seconds shot. Bunat. Jumper, pasok. LC. Bantayan yan si LC. Kasi hindi pa nakakain yan, pagurin yan. Marlon Calois. Foul. Foul. First foul by LC. 14 seconds shot clock.
Meron mo na si Calois ah.
Marlon, depensa may bunsay. Donut wala. Sorry! Rapi. Tari pala. Under goal. Tumira, wala. Good. Still by Jeray. Still by Ernest. Pasok ka rin. Dak. Wala. Again. Still. Good. Joel, tumira, wala. Bye. Out, Joel. Mukhang 7 minutes and 28 seconds. Wala bang score?
Mayroon na, dos, kabila.
Meron na ba? 14-23. 15 seconds shot clock. Marlon drive, still by Ronnie. Ronnie, dribble the ball. Dominico, wala. Crowded, follow up. 16-23. Wala pang score in green. Tari to Marlon. Marlon to Adonis, tumira, pasok. 25-16. Gimo dribbling the ball. Screen by LC. Pass to LC. LC jumper. Pumasok. Wala. Bola pa rin ang green. Alright. Out of bounds ang blue. 6 minutes and 23 seconds. Marlon. Still by LC. Bunat dribbling the ball. Gana pamasahan. Lumia. Pasok. Bunat. Atin. 18-25. Priest. Ayos din dyan. Naka-priest na. Tari. Jumper. Walang foul. Gimo, dribbling the ball. Alright, Ronnie. Lumingon pa. Guarded by Calois. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Marlon. Marlon bola po 3. Wala rin. Uy, out of bounds. Time out ang green. Oras, 5 minutes and... Marlon. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Roy. To Roy! Wala na. Carlos tumira ng wala. Rebound by Gimo. Gimo, dribbling the ball. Relax. Relax, Gimo. To LC. So wala sa foul si Mark. Not counted. Counted wala. Wala.
Not counted.
Not counted. Paulo sa baba.
Si ano yung Paul?
Tinawa ka ng titis.
Si Mark. Oh, kasi daw po.
Bunat. Pass to Ronnie. Tumira. Wala. LC. Pasok.
20-25.
20-25.
Bumipiyak na yung ano Anong sir?
Wala na.
Anong pang kulang sa ano?
Kulang vitamins.
Alak.
Mark. Jumper for 3. Wala. Rebound by LC. Kalaway rebound. Wala na. Churoy. Gimo for 3. Wala. Tari rebound. Pass to Roy. Kuha ni Gimo. Gimo to LC. Pass to Gimo to LC. Pasok. 2 points. Abol na. 3-point lead. 22-25. Hindi pa nakascore yung green. 2 points lang pala. Marlon. Foul. Counted.
Sino Paul? Paul.
Foul. Joel? 2 personal foul by Joel. Counted. Alright, 14 seconds left. Up to Mark. Mark to Marlon. Marlon to Churoy. Churoy pumiki. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Mark. LC rebound. Baba. 4 minutes. Uy, Ronnie. Oops. Out of bounds. Green ball. Over the back. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Mark. Traveling with passport. 3 minutes and 9 seconds. Gimo. Aloy, LC, rebound, tapal. Time out. Ayan.
Brother,
Comedy time out.
dalawa ka na brother ha? Paul si LC.
Ano sa likod?
Umunat yung likod nun.
Ayun bola.
Green.
Bola ng green. Sub. Ayos. Mark. Wala na, hindi na kayo nakascore ah. Marlon. 10 seconds shot clock. To LC. LC to Gillier. Wala. Churoy! 2 minutes and 30 seconds. LC. Kumbera. Wala. Rebound by Gillier. Gillier pass to agaw ni Joel. Joel Mark dribbling the ball. Ay ka out. Pangit yung bola. Alright. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Bonat. Pass to Gimo. Hinaras si Mark. Alright. Foul. Blocking foul.
Take 5.
Mark foul. Labas ang bola. 14 seconds at last. Bonat. Aliop. Wala. LC rebound. No. Nakuha ni Gillier. Gillier dribbling the ball. Domerizzo. Dunk. Alio!
Magaling yung bitin.
Ganda nun ah.
1 minute. LC for 3. Wala. Gelia rebound.
Kalma lang.
Paso naman. Nakuha ni Rory. Tira. Paso. 50 seconds.
25, 24,
24-27.
Babak.
Oh, still out.
Abang kamay niyo. Magaling mga
Kunin mo kasi.
35 seconds.
Alam mo ikaw, bulan.
14 seconds sa clock.
Kumapit ka kasi.
Inaantay mo kasi sa lubungan mo ito.
Idol talaga eh.
29 seconds. Foul. Tawag. Travel. 19 seconds. 16. 14. 12. 11. 10. 7. 6. Tapal. Or 3, 2, 1.
Ito, tsaka dyan, puro sa ilalim ng ano.
Daming patay.
Dahil patay na butiki.
Brad, mukhang ano yung
Maraming tapal ah. Dahil patay na butiki.
24, 27.
24-27 after the first half of the first half.
Hello.